am so excited. It's because we're having the training for 2 days for level 1 and level 2 here at the California Superbike School. Thank you so much for golf, for this privilege. Ito na yung pinaka-ultimate training atang pwede kong ma-attenan. Kaya I am so excited and at the same time din kinakabahan. Alam niyo naman si Inday, sanay tayo sa mga slow maneuvering and off-road adventure, but this will be the first time to really learn more on the track. And of course, ngayon ko lang din mako-compare yung different trainings na na-attenan natin before, the difference of learning sa track, ano ba ang makukuha natin dyan when we go on the road. So, samahan niyo ako today at samahan niyo rin ako kabahan. Hindi, nakita din na pala natin dito, may mga friends natin dito. Nandito rin si Roxanne Ventures, sila Coach Malakito. So, meron na tayong makakachikahan dito. So, I'll show it to you ano yung mga magaganap namin today. And of course, thank you to Golf for including me to be part of this awesome event. So we had the scrutineering. Now, tiningnan kami bawat isa kung paano yung counter steering namin doon sa track. So after that, we'll be waiting lang because we'll be having our parang classroom session naman ngayon. So medyo kinabahan si Inday Rider kasi nasanay tayo sa iba't ibang klase ng training. So iba't iba rin ng mga concepts ang natuturo sa atin ng way of ano. But this one, it is for the track. So counter steering is talagang yun ang pinaka-sole lesson that I need to learn, and how to relax as well when doing the counter steering. So marami pang matututunan si Inday Rider. So kahit ilang taon na tayong nag-aaral at nag-ride, it's a continuous learning all the time. And we always want to know that skills before speed as well. So hi guys, I'm now back here at the Widos Hotel. So about my day 1 for the California Superbike School training today. Bilib din ako sa mga instructors kasi they're very professional kausap. And the things that I've learned today was actually more of the technical stuff na maiintindihan mo bakit nila pinapagawa sa iyo yung mga drills. So we did drills today with yung mga drill like fourth gear with no brakes, tapos magka-counter steering. Then we have also like we're gonna follow an X mark on where we're gonna supposed to turn during sa mga laps. And of course, we also have the quick turn kung saan we have to practice ourselves to quickly turn pabalik-balik, ganyan. Then what we have also was relax. They taught us how to relax our hands. Kasi kapag relax ang mga kamay, ang counter steering, mas suabe ang inyong turn, no, diba? And lastly was actually the visual wherein we turning points where we have to look where we are to turn do sa X mark, and at the same time our visual doon naman sa apex na papasukan namin during the turn. So overall, on my comments with this day 1, alam niyo naman si Inday, ito yung pinaka natatakot ako, yung mabilis tapos banking, di ba? Pero actually, when you get to learn the skill and you know what to do when you're riding fast and coming to a curve, yung mga tinuro nila actually kanina, na nagigets ko na siya. Kumbaga, hindi rin pala siya ganun nakakatakot. Kaya on the 4th to 5th drill, medyo na-enjoy ko na yung mga lap. Noong una kasi medyo stiff si Inday, hindi siya relax. So nakatulong din yung drill na they ask us to relax. Mas madaling magawa yung mga turns when you really focus dun sa mga skills na itinuturo nila. And hands up din ako dun sa mga coaches because they're very personal magturo and customize. So after a classroom session where lahat kami mga students magkakasama, after that we'll do the activity and apply it. And after the activity, we'll be having that debriefing sa mga coaches na naka-assign sa amin. Like there's 2 students per a coach. Susundan ka niya talaga, susundan mo siya. So talagang hanggang makuha mo, and he will do some comments on how you did the activity and give you some points so that you can improve it. So day 1 pa lang, medyo punong-puno na ako ng kaalaman. And just like what I say, our road safety dapat laging priority, and we should not stop from learning and learning pa rin. Even if you're riding already for a long time, iba pa rin yung mag-invest ka sa iyong safety, which is by training all the time. So far, this is a good day for me, and thank God I was safe. Ay, nag-ride lang ako according to what kaya ko, yung pace ko. They will not force you to ride fast. They will just teach you to, syempre, pupush ka pa rin, pero hindi ka nila para pabilisin ng masobra na hindi mo pa kaya. So, I was very happy. I wasn't that so much stress. Masaya. Actually, may natutunan ako ngayon. Gas off, rolling, mga ganyan, counter steering, o diba, feeling na track rider si Inday. Anyway, I use my adventure bike pa rin. So, it's a different ride then since I cannot lean the bike so much because it's an adventure bike. So, meron din ako mga natutunan na magagamit ko rin actually when I ride na talaga out there sa mga main roads.
Hi everyone, this is Arthur Tuason from Tuason Racing. We're the partners with California Superbike School here in the Philippines, and California Superbike School is in full swing this year, and if you missed out, we'd love to have you next year. Every year we bring in these world-class specialists. They come from Australia or from California itself, and they bring world-class skills to the Philippines. We've had a lot of issues with skills trainings, especially with motorcycles here, and we want to change that. So please come and join us next year for the next iteration of California Superbike School Philippines.
Thank you!
Good morning, my name is Dr. Ed Tuason. I'm here at the California Superbike School. Just finished yung level 1 training, and I'm about to embark on a level 2 training today. Yesterday, there's a lot of anxiety, siyempre nakakaba kasi hindi mo alam what to expect. But all in all, it was very enriching experience. Lalo na nakakapagdagdag to ng kaalaman, tsaka nakakapagdagdag din ng confidence, no, sa pagsakay ng motorbike. So if there's anyone out there who's interested in joining the school, I would highly encourage it. There's no limit to the number of school or training that anyone can take, no? So walang ano yan, kahit na matagal na kayo sumasakay, mas maganda pa rin kayo, meron kayong matagdagan ng kaalaman. Some of the riders, matatagal na sumasakay, nagugulat ako na nag-enroll pa rin sila sa school. So yun, I hope everyone who's an avid fan of riding motorbike, sige lang, come and enroll in the school.
Thank you! Hi guys! So ngayon magsaya si Inday kasi hindi lang kami dalawa ni Roxanne ang lady rider dito sa California Superbike School. We have also Barbie. Yeah, hi Barbie! So how's your experience here in our training?
It's fun.
Fun ba?
Super fun, yeah.
Ano ba yun, more or less, di ba, nakapag-track lessons ka na before? Right. Sa tingin mo ba, with this experience, it added more,
knowledge.
More knowledge. Ano ba yung struggle mo na lang doon sa lahat ng drills na nagawa natin?
Siyempre yung cornering.
Yung cornering pa rin.
Yeah.
And you're riding, what bike?
I'm riding a Ducati Monster S.
Pero wag kayo, naka-upgrade na yan kagad. So, an adventure bike na Ducati rin soon. Yeah. And what can you say about the experience? Can you really recommend it sa ibang lady rider like us?
Ang daming matututunan. Step by step, isa-isa in-explain, and then very personalized ang training with the coaches.
Yun. Thank
Tapos
you.
Lahat pwede mo tanong sa coach.
Oo nga. Pati love life ba?
Love life. Ewan ko.
Thank you so much, Barbie, and nice to meet you then here.
Hi, my name is Jude Gonzalez.
How was your experience here in your first day? Ay, first and second day na natin, di ba? Here at California.
Masakit.
Masakit sa katawan. I heard you've been here watching them do the training, and now today, yesterday, you're here. So, how's the experience na dating spectator ka lang ngayon? Ikaw na mismo nag-experience?
Masaya, makulit. Gain friends. Lalo na yung makilala ko yung mga famous.
With the experience sa training ba, you think you can be able to really use it?
More ano ka, mas magiging stronger ka to the courses. Siyempre, iba yung kalye natin, iba yung track.
Yes.
Diba? Parang yung experience ko dito, yung ginamit ko sa kalye, ginamit ko dito pag sa track. So,
mali. So, na-realize mo, may mali ka pala ginagawa.
So, kinokorek. Ang ganda yung kinokorek. Tama yun.
Yes.
Tapos, so for today, today is a better track.
Better.
Maganda yung lap lang yun.
Nasa-adjust ka na sa mga skills na natutunan mo. So, will you recommend this to other of your rider friends?
Recommend it. Dapat lahat para safe tayo sa kaya natin.
Yun, perfect!
Be a defensive driver.
Perfect. Thank you!
Thank you!
We're done with our California Superbike School Training, Day 1 and Day 2. And I would like to introduce to you to my coach, Coach Chappy.
Hey, how's everybody?
So what can you say about the Filipino riders here in Manila?
It's been an amazing trip. It's been really wicked to meet such energized and enthusiastic riders. Everyone's been super happy and excited to get out on track and really trying to put the new skills in practice. And you've been pretty darn good at it. I've been pretty happy I had a good student.
Yes.
And yeah, it's a bit hot for me from New Zealand. It's really cold. So this has been really hard.
It's a challenge.
Yes.
But thank you so much. Thank you. I've learned so much from you, and I hope I will be back here next year.
Me too. Me too.
Thank you. Yan, so here's Coach Mel. Hindi ko ay nakala na magiging classmate ko siya ngayon. So Coach, what made you decide to join the California Superbike School Training this year?
Well, the main reason, syempre, is we never stop learning. Learning never stops. We always learn new, bagong riding tips for technically for safety riding, no? So, kaya ako nandito ngayon kasi talagang open tayo sa mga bagong kaalaman.
Yeah, so as a coach that has so many knowledge about training, the track, off-road, what do you think have you learned so far from our Day 1 and mostly half day ng Day 2 ngayon dito sa training ng California Superbike?
Well, being a coach kasi, marami tayong coaches talaga. We have coach for off-roading, which is yun yung talaga ginagawa natin. We have coaches for safety riding. We also have coaches for superbike naman and cruiser. Marami tayong maraming discipline na kailangan natin malaman, pero syempre hindi kaya ng isang coach lang yun. So, the reason why for me naman here is, before I was riding a underbowl dito sa circuit. I was in a racing team before, that was 2003, 2004, way back. Pero, nung araw kasi, I'm riding because I'm racing. Pero ito ngayon kasi, nagkakaroon kami nagkakaroon ako ng nahihimay-himay ngayon kung ano yung ginagawa ko before. Dati, bara-bara. Ngayon, lahat meron ng mga proseso, meron ng mga tamang tips or tamang gagawin para makakover mo yung fear mo of leaning the motorcycle more. So, nawala yung stiffness, mas nag-relax tayo ngayon. At syempre, mas marami tayo natutunan ngayon na kung saan itatranslate natin sa mga kapwa-rider natin.
Tama. And you're such an inspiration. Bilang isang coach na rin, you're a good example of continuous learning talaga, di ba? So kahit si coach nga, coach na, nag-aaral pa rin. So what more pa kaya tayo, di ba? So yun. Thank you so much, Coach. And enjoy the rest of the day.
Yes, thank you very much, Inday Rider. Like and subscribe and share. Mga kaibigan, marami kayong matutunan. Check it out, guys.
Idol!